Did you know the average American spends 6 hours and 59 minutes on their screen times per day? I'll talk to you about confidence through screen restrictions and why it's going to bring you more joy to your life. So, have you ever heard of the term intermittent fasting? If you're in the health and wellness world, then I'm sure you probably have. It's a trendy way to lose weight based on compressing the time window of eating. Usually, the hours of eating are open from noon to 8 p.m., or even as small as 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., 4 hour window. The concept builds in parameters so that the person who would reach for the donut at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m., they won't, they can't. Today, you and I together are going to make the term intermittent screen time fasting a thing. Yep, it's going to become popular. We're doing it right here. According to DataReportal, as of 2023, the average American spends 6 hours and 59 minutes on a screen per day. And there is no sign of this number reversing unless you make the conscious choice to do so. You've probably heard a friend say, "Hey, I'm going to go on a social media fast for a week." My question after someone whom I know has done this is always, "Did you miss it?" And their answer is, "Nope." So why isn't it as easy for everyone to turn off their phone and put their screens down? Nomophobia. Yes, there's actually a phobia which describes the fear of being without a phone. That's the world we live in now. The only people who are known as quote unquote users are people on social media and people who take illegal drugs. Let that sink in. In a study done by Psychology Today, they found that just by putting down the phone for an hour each day improves sleep quality, sex life, energy throughout the day, ability to get out of bed faster in the morning, lower depression rates. So the question is, how do we gain confidence that we can put down our phones and reduce screen time? Intermittent screen fasting, our new term. The confidence boost. Here it is. The action today comes right here, right now, setting up the hour window like an intermittent food fasting that you are going to be on your phone. Once you commit to that time window, that's what you're sticking to. Try it for a week, and if you like it, which I have a very good feeling you will, make it a daily habit. Here's a great example that I've seen work. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., that can be some screen time right there. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., that's limited screen time. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. 3 hours total, broken up throughout the day. It's kind of like a breakfast, lunch, dinner thing. Trust me. So trust me on this. You won't miss out on anything important with 3 hours of your day on your phone. You just won't. Bonus points for reducing to an hour a day and eventually taking entire days or weeks off. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin, and for my face it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023, and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the #1 skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife's is Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.